Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your